Distinguished listeners, welcome to this tutorial on enhancing your mobile security through the proper configuration of T20VPN. This application offers a user-friendly method to fortify your online protection. Let us proceed through each essential step to guarantee your device's security. First, access the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, enter T20VPN. Please ensure you select the correct application to avoid installing any fraudulent software. Upon completion of the installation process, open the T20VPN application. Tap the Update button to ensure you have the latest resources. Then select Online Update to update the configuration. Choose your connection settings. First, select All Countries/All Networks/UDP. This option provides a broad range of connectivity options and uses the UDP protocol, known for its balance of speed and reliability. Note that if UDP does not function optimally, you may optionally select your specific country to potentially improve connection performance. Next, select Server. From the available server options, choose Auto Server. This will allow the application to automatically select the most suitable server based on your current location and network conditions. Tap at Time to extend the VPN connection duration. Finally, tap Start to connect. This initiates the VPN connection process, encrypting your data and routing it through a secure server. With these steps completed, your mobile device is now operating with the enhanced security and privacy provided by T20VPN. Thank you for your attention.